How to deactivate your Viber account. Open the Viber application. Tap on the more icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the option settings that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option account. You can see various options over here. Tap on the option deactivate account that you can see at 5th. In order to deactivate your account, you'll have to enter your number. Make sure to select the country code. Tap on the field of country code and enter the country code over here. Tap on the field of phone number and enter your phone number. Once you enter the phone number, tap on the option deactivate account that you can see on the screen. This kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on the option deactivate. Now you can see over here your account will be deactivated. Like this, you can deactivate Viber account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.